Looking for a trading strategy that is simple and actually works? In this video, I'll show you how to combine 3 indicators to spot great trades with this. The best part? It's built around a powerful volume-based tool that helps you perfect your entry points. I backtested it and the results speak for themselves. So, let's dive into it. Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingView where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today's strategy was suggested by Newtake, a dear member of our community. If you want me to backtest some of your favorite indicator or strategy, feel free to reach us on Discord. In order to load today's volume indicator, open the indicator session and type volume delta half harmonic. This is a modified version that simplifies the buy and sell signals. You will find this indicator in our Discord. You just need to add it to your favorites and you're good to go. Let's talk a bit about this indicator by doing a brief explanation. The volume delta indicator helps analyze buying and selling volume in candlesticks, providing insights into the market strength and direction. While it has many features, today we will focus on the triangles, which are based on the crossing of 2 exponential moving averages. By default are 12 EMA and 26 EMA. These triangles appear only when the volume confirms the crossover, making them reliable signals for entering trades. This simple combination of volume and moving averages helps traders identify potential reversals or trends with greater confidence. So for today's strategy, we're gonna remove this oscillator part and we're gonna focus only on triangles, which basically are blue triangle buy signals and red triangle sell signals, which are also represented by blue and purple points. We're gonna use this indicator as our main entry signals. Then, in order to avoid some false signals, we're gonna add a trend confirmation based on the ALMA moving average with a length of 20 source close. We're gonna allow long position when the price is above our moving average, while we're gonna go short when the price is below the moving average. We have a main entry signal, a trend confirmation, and in order to finish our strategy, we need to add a volume confirmation. Based on the ADX, the average directional index, we're gonna take it from the volatility pack by TradingView Pro. We are just leaving the default settings, the smoothing 14 and the eye length 14 as well. We're gonna set a threshold line at 20 level, because our trigger point will be when the ADX is above 20, indicating there is enough volatility in the market. Now that we know all the rules of our strategy, we just need to combine all of them, and we are doing it thanks to our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView to generate buy and sell signals. We can backtest, automate strategies, set up alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Let's start by configuring our main entry signals. For the long side, we're gonna set a long signal from the volume delta, and here we're gonna set short signal. Here we select price equal for both sides, so that we're gonna refer to this condition. And as you can see, the first row trades are already onto the chart. Then we can add the second rule, the trend confirmation. We're gonna set the main moving average. For the long, we want the price that is greater than the main moving average, while for short, we want the price that is below the moving average. The last step is to add a volatility confirmation, which is based on the volatility oscillator. So we set it in both sides, and we want that is above 20 level. That's cool, guys. Now that we have completed the entry signal setup, let's take a look at some trades onto the chart. Here we have an awesome long position, blue triangle, price is above the moving average, and the ADX is greater than our threshold line, the 20 level. While for short position, there is a red triangle, the price is below the moving average, and the ADX is greater than 20. That's great, guys. Now, to complete our strategy, we just need to add the exit rules. First, we're gonna set the stop loss using a length of 14 and a multiplier of 3, while the take profit is based on the risk reward of 2. I've just loaded the ATR bands onto the chart to show you how the stop loss and take profit work. This is the ATR lower band, and we're gonna use it to set our stop loss level for the long position. Basically, when we open the position, we take the ATR level, and that will be our stop loss, while our take profit is based on 2 times the stop loss distance from the entry. As you can see, for this trade we have 2.26% stop loss and our take profit is 4.44%. For a short position is the opposite. We're gonna take the upper band from the ATR bands, we're gonna set the stop loss at that level, and the take profit will be 2 times our stop loss distance. That's cool, guys. We have simplified things as much as possible. Now we are ready to dive into the backtest results. We're gonna take the backtest results from our magic spreadsheet, which you can find in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. Each strategy has its own backtest results based on all pairs and timeframes available on Bybit. Also, all the results are based on 1x leverage, which essentially means zero leverage. We are using an order size of $10,000 with fixed amount, initial capital $10,000 as well, and 0.06% commission. And as you can see guys, we have an impressive equity line, 217% net profit, 106 trades, 42.45% win rate, 1.61 profit factor, 22.9% max drawdown, and 2.06 average trade. We are backtesting 1.5 years of backtest data. As you can see from the monthly table, the majority of the months are profitable, and then we have only 6 losing months. We have a daily profit of 0.39% and a net profit/drawdown of 3.89, which isn't bad, but it's not the best that we have ever seen. Then we have max win row of 6 and max loss row of 5, considering the nature of this strategy, which is a trend following, and with this low win rate, this is a pretty balanced ratio. Average risk reward of 2.18, expectancy 0.35, both of these two values are great. Average win 12.79%, average loss 5.86%, max win trade 28%, max loss trade 20%. We can certainly state that this is a good strategy. The only thing that I don't like so much are the max win trade and max loss trade, which basically are balanced, and considering that this is a trend following strategy, I would have expected some better max win trade value. Scrolling through the backtest results, here in the percentage largest win trade, we have 75% and 60%. We can check this gas USDT, and as you can see guys, the equity is good, but it's not particularly impressive. Monthly table is good, but what I love the most about this strategy, as we have seen before, is the 60% max win trade. And as you can see guys, we have 28% win from long trades, while we have 60% from this short trade. Look at how spectacular this is. We have picked the exact bottom of this dump. But of course, this is an exception and not a rule. But I want to point out that this is the potential of this strategy. Essentially, regardless of the backtest data, it can generate these huge profits in just a few trades. I want to remind you that you can get access to these and other ready-to-use strategies in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, which also grants access to all our premium indicators, including the strategy builders, moving averages pack, and the volatility pack. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed and find values in it. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!